Okay. Where y'all at? Here you are. There you are. Let's go over there and stick that in place. Just so we think about it. Got one more screw, 2 more screws left, so that's enough to mount something up there to give me something to shoot at. So let's leave that alone before it falls down on my head. So it seemed like the piece I cut off of that was just about the right size with a little notch for it. So I did a little notch for it. Let's see what we think. Let's see what we think. That looks pretty good, actually. What I do, once I get that kind of stuck on there, I can take it around from yonder and make a long piece to run from that point to that point. And yeah. I might do some welding on top of that. Oh, enjoy. Okay, let's I'll take y'all around there first, and then I'll go around there with this in hand. And we'll see. Thank you God for the sunshine. This is awesome. This is awesome. Okay, I think it's time to get the welder out for that. You may have noticed me trying to hold that and turn the vise at the same time. 63 Impala and I think Mr. Heavy Chevy Man too did this. He made a kind of a little air operated vise that you can hold something in and clamp. That's a cool way to go. I haven't done that. I don't know if I ever will. Seems like a lot of high-tech production that's needed to make that happen. Kind of like so many things in life, you know. We're around to doing so many things, we run out of time. The clock's ticking, y'all, boys and girls. The clock's ticking. Talking to my friend I was telling about the other day, you know. All these people we need to know, we used to know, they're dead. They're gone. Let me just think of it down lower because it's not here. It's too hot. It's on the low side. Generally, when you die, you just have to be quick. Here's some really quick rubbish. Mostly. I need some welding gloves and a helmet for that.